Aloha, sama. Ay, kaya, ay, naku. Alam nyo lang. Ready? Okay. When I say left, I say right. Alright. Everybody, jump to the left. Practice. Okay, basta natin jump to the left, jump to the right, and then here. Hindi mo kaya sobrang taas, lalo yung mga... Okay? Are you ready? Ito, panahon na to, ay wala kapakawan. Wala kapakawan. Jump to the right, left, right, middle. Magaling. Malaki yung pakakailangan. Okay, jump to the left, middle, left, right, middle, right, left, middle, left. Matindi talaga ang pakakailangan. Okay, mas mabilis. Ready? Punta mo na sa middle. Ready? Punta mo na sa middle. 1, 2. Jump to the left, right, middle, right, middle, right. Right, left. Meron mo ba ang mga kasama? Kaya ang judge. Everybody. Okay, punta mo na sa middle. Mas mabilis. Jump to the left, right. Right, left, right, middle. Okay, maglalagay kayo ng judging committee. Judging committee, kailangan mag-judge. Okay, here's the twist. Pag sinabi ko, jump to the right, jump to the left. Pag sinabi ko, jump to the right, punta kayo sa left. Pag sinabi ko, jump to the left, jump to the right. Okay, practice. Wala ko sa pagkako, jump. Ang practice na, pag sinabi ko, jump to the right, you go to the left. Pag sinabi ko, jump to the left, you go to the right. Okay, practice. Jump to the left. Very good. Practice lang. Sinabi ko, jump to the left, you go to the right. Sinabi ko, jump to the right. Ready? Jump to the left. Practice. But this time, I'm serious. Okay, serious na. Game na. Wala nang patawaran. Gusto yung mga pagkakaroon. Okay, ready? Jump to the left. Middle. Okay, ready? Jump to the right. Amen. Middle. Jump to the left. Jump to middle. Jump to the middle. Jump to the left. Kumilipin na sa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, isa na pala pang gano'n. Okay, jump to the right. Jump to the left. Okay, dapat this time kailangan jump hindi mo mag-glide. Please, dalawa na lang ang ma-eliminate and good news will see. Okay, palakpakan lang yung mga sarili for yung sa ito yung mga pukinig. Okay, ready? Jump to the left. Okay, alright. Palayasin this time. Okay, so therefore, you are the winner.